what we have here is my computer power supply upgrade. In fact, I'm going to put the processor back in here because it's a Celeron, an old one. Just stick that in there real quick. Okay, this is my new power supply. Basically, I decided to do a little bit different than what the computer manufacturers recommend. Instead of going to the little power supply connectors up there, the ATX style thing, we're doing it through several different points. You're going to have 120 volts in here and a different voltage out here, which I won't say what that voltage is yet. You'll find that out tomorrow. And we got power in to the BIOS pins, power in to the CPU fan, and then power into the USB. So, and then the return path is the grounded frame. So this should be very interesting. Hard drive's up there. I might wire it up because this is just an empty case. Basically, we're going to see how well my modification does. It's even got 120 meg of RAM. Whoop-de-doo. Oh no, wait, it's 256. My bad. Yeah, even better. So yeah. Oh, and it's got a modem too. We better put that back in there. Okay, those stupid old E-machines. So we're gonna see how well my mod works tomorrow. I need to do it outside. So, and it's dark here now, so we will see that tomorrow. Stay tuned for more.